Welcome back to our channel. Is it time to exit Mavia Coin? Let's break down the price action and see if holding on is still a good move. Earlier, we talked about Mavia's bounce from the support zone and warned that if we get a pump, it's a better time to exit than to get overly bullish. Right now, the price is approaching $0.54, $0.55, which was a key target zone. What's next for Mavia? If you haven't taken profits yet, this could be your chance. The market is still in a bearish phase, so chasing pumps can be risky. Small-cap coins often see massive pumps, but they can trap late buyers. If you're in profit, consider securing your gains. If you're looking for the next opportunity, focus on projects that have already dropped significantly and could bounce back. Do you think Mavia has more upside, or is this the exit point? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more updates. Thanks for watching.